back to my channel. So this is going to be my first video of 2019, and what a better way to start with Valentine's Day. I know you guys must be looking for easy DIY gift ideas for your lover, so this video is for you. So without further discussion, let's get into the video. So for our first DIY, we need a mug, 2 cutouts of heart and a tea bag. Now slowly remove the tag from the tea bag and glue 2 hearts on the other end. Now repeat the process to all other tags too. One by one, put all the tea bags into the mug. Now after this, take rectangular strips of paper for your love note. Write love note on each strips of paper. Fold all your love note like so. Now fill your mug with all your love notes, but still it's looking incomplete. To decorate it, take a small rectangular sheet of paper, cut it like a tag. Also make a small hole on the top and insert your ribbon. Now glue at the bottom of your tag and paste white sheet of paper. Clearly cut it like this. And to complete, write something cute for your loved ones. I'm writing hugs in the mugs. You can write anything you want. This gift is just perfect. If you are giving it to a coffee lover, you can use coffee sachets too. Now at last, tie it on your mug's handle and it's ready. So for our next DIY, we need a chocolate and a white sheet of paper. Mark the size of the chocolate and cut the extra paper. Wrap your chocolate with the white sheet. Tape it at the back and glue it as I showed. Here also you have to write something cute for your loved ones. I am writing here, I love you more than chocolate. You can also write, I love you, happy Valentine's Day, and your chocolate gift is ready. This gift is totally budget friendly and everyone would love to receive something like this. So for our next DIY, we need few cosmetics. You can give nail paint, you can give lipsticks, you can go with any makeup accessories or any necklace, chain, anything you want. Pack it like so and it's good to go. Write some quotation on it and you can give to your lady love, your mom, your BFF, anyone. To pack it, you can use stapler to any washi tape or clear tape also. To complete it, I am writing kisses for your love. If you are giving it to your wife, you can write kisses for your missus. It's just proper perfect gift for your love. And it's ready. I hope this video remains helpful for you guys. If you like this video, give a thumbs up, do subscribe to my channel, also hit the notification bell to get a notification whenever I post any video. Do let me know in the comment section which DIY you love the most. So do visit my Instagram page, the link is in the description box. So go check out, you will get tons of gifts from handmade to customized for every occasion. So till then, bye bye.